Casey Harmon, owner-operator of Hammer Mountain Construction, custom builder here in north central Washington. This is an equestrian structure from a referral we had from another client that she used to work with. Some of the challenges of the building was there was a lot of customization on the building. It's not your typical steel building, which is becoming more common. The logistics of it was tough, being out here in the middle of nowhere, 45 minutes to the lumber yard that may or may not have what you need. The weather was a challenge, crew was a challenge, and the details were probably the biggest challenge we had. There's 500 yards of concrete in there, and there was 9 truckloads of steel that showed up, 1 truckload of doors and 2 truckloads of insulation. 150 working days with a 4-man crew, and the guys that I have now did a hell of a job finishing it up. There's 19 overhead doors in here that are glass. Some of them are fixed that are function as a window, not a door. Quite above average for your steel buildings. And the roof pitch was problematic. A lot of steel buildings don't have a 9/12 roof pitch. The plans and the fabrication of the building was very good. My crew did a fantastic job on the concrete. That was part of it, and Eric's guys put together a good package with a good set of plans for the complexity of this building. I've done quite a few custom buildings, and typically the weak point is the plans. That was not the case with this. Everything was here that was supposed to be here. There was a few items that weren't on the plans and were not here, and we worked through it with Eric to solve the problem. Happens on every job, no matter who designs it or supplies it. When we had problems arise, you get a hold of him, he solved it, he would take care of it. He says, hey, we got too many of these, we got not enough of these. He just sent them out, and it wasn't ever who's going to pay for it, or with a lot of suppliers that's the case. We like doing this. This is really, we like doing these kind of projects, larger projects. We build homes to pay the bills. Make no mistake about it, this is a commercial project. This is definitely a feather in the cap. Not having put together one of the Great Western buildings before, everybody does it different, little parts and pieces. What the hell's this, and how do I do this? I think it came out great. Your videos were helpful. He would send me. We did a couple video conferences over the phone, send me pictures, walk me through this, and it worked out. What he does send out is quality product, no doubt about that.